baddies, it's your girl Bevy with Hairscripts, and let's just jump right into the video. Did you know that you can use skincare to treat your hair and scalp? I'm just saying. Listen, if you don't know and you've been living under a rock, there is something called the skin-ification of your scalp, and what that means essentially is that you are treating your scalp the way you would treat your skin on your face, okay? So as delicately as we are treating our faces and we're using certain ingredients to exfoliate, that has anti-inflammatory properties, to hydrate, is the same thing that we should do for our scalp, which is gonna have loads of benefits for our hair. So the point blank in the period is that you wanna start adding skincare ingredients to your hair care routine, okay? Now, what's the benefit? Obviously, like I just said, it helps to improve your overall scalp health, which can lead to stronger, healthier hair. And by incorporating these active ingredients that are beneficial for both your scalp and your hair care routine, you can promote healthier hair growth while also treating or addressing any underlying scalp conditions or concerns that you may or may not have. So without delaying, because y'all know I'm good for that, I'm notorious for that, let's just jump right in. Oh, before I say this, all my baddies that stay to the end, I'm gonna give you a list of the ingredients, a list of products that contain these ingredients in them, okay? So no cheating, no cheating. Listen to the end, I promise it won't be long. So let's go right in to number one. Number one, salicylic acid, okay? Now, salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid that exfoliates the skin by dissolving dead skin cells and unclogging your pores, and it makes an effective treatment for acne. Well, if you didn't know, it does the same thing for your scalp. It helps to remove buildup, and it also helps to unclog your hair follicles by ultimately promoting healthy hair growth, okay? You can't lose with having salicylic acid in your regimen. Like I said, I would list the product now, but I'm gonna wait till the end to give it to you, okay? Subscribe to this channel if you wanna learn the science behind hair loss and hair growth. They are not the same. Stop using them interchangeably. I'm gonna show you how to effectively regrow your hair, thicken your hair, strengthen your hair, all that, and scalp health, okay? Watch my other videos because you need all of me, and after 3 videos, if you have not subscribed, you need to put a ring on it, okay? Or we're breaking up. Number 2, niacinamide. Now, my baddies that know, I love niacinamide for my hair. It is a vitamin B3. It's a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are amazing for fighting free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for giving you gray hairs prematurely. It's responsible for cellular death, okay? So it kills your cells, it can kill your follicles. It is a lot more deviant than just giving you gray hair. Ultimately, free radicals are compounds that are released in the body from stress and a whole bunch of negative things that's happening in the body, and then they just float around your body looking for things that it could demolish, okay? It's like a demolition crew. And so your cell and your follicle is definitely one of them. And so amino acids. Oh, by the way, I have Invisalign, so excuse me if I can't speak correctly, okay? I never do anyway. But this right here is a free radical looking for something to demolish, and this is the antioxidants say, get out of there, okay? So that is the point of antioxidant. And so it's really good as far as for skin. It helps to brighten your skin, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and it improves the appearance of pores. But on your scalp, it strengthens your hair and it reduces inflammation. Another thing that it does, a little bit more geeky and scientific, this is why I love niacinamide, is that it extends your anagen phase. So if you don't know, anagen, ketogen, and telogen are all 3 different phases in the hair growth cycle. The anagen is the growth phase. That is what I tell you guys is key to activating hair growth. You want to activate the anagen phase, and you want to stay in the anagen phase by elongating it. Basically, you want to stay in the anagen phase for as long as you possibly can. That is the key to fast hair growth, okay? To faster hair growth. And so niacinamide is one of those vitamins that is essential for keeping you in anagen phase for a longer period of time. Don't ask me how it does it, just know that it does, okay? And I'm sure in another video I can go into like the mechanism of action and go deep into the science, but this ain't that video. I ain't flexing in this video, but trust me, I could do it, okay? So the next one is retinoids, okay? Retinoids retinols. These are vitamin A derivatives that stimulate collagen production, which can help to improve the texture and appearance of your skin. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and promotes cellular turnover. All amazing. I use a retinoid every night for my skin, okay? This is all skin, no makeup, y'all. But when it's used on your scalp, it can stimulate hair growth and improve the overall health of your scalp. Think about everything that it does. It stimulates collagen. Now, for those of us who don't know, collagen is one of those things as it starts to drop off, it's hard to quote unquote re-stimulate, if that's a word, right? So now you're stimulating collagen, right? You're trying to get you're forcing your body to create more collagen, especially when you're over 25 because you don't really create it. So you're stimulating this. You're basically improving cellular turnover. So you're getting rid of all the dead cells and the debris on your scalp. Let me tell you something. Retinoids for your scalp is, bro, it's a holy grail, okay? So I'm just letting you know though, be careful how you use it because retinoid is very strong and it can, just like on your skin, it can cause a lot of sensitivity. It can cause irritation. If you OD on your scalp, you're gonna do the same. You gotta be smart about how you use it, okay? The next one is zinc, okay? Specifically the pyrithione, and I hope I'm saying it correctly. This antifungal and antibacterial ingredient is commonly used in dandruff shampoos to treat scalp conditions, obviously like dandruff, psoriasis, and sebderm, okay? It can also help to reduce inflammation and prevent acne. So it's pretty straightforward. This is what zinc is good for. Now, another thing that people don't know about zinc is one of like the key vitamins that is really good for promoting hair growth. Zinc is exceptional for promoting hair growth, okay? So just want you guys to know that it has a double whammy, okay? The next one is alpha hydroxy acids or AHAs. These water-soluble acids exfoliate the skin by dissolving dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. Another one. It makes them effective treatments for fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and other concerns. It works very similarly, if not just like a retinoid, but not as, for your hair anyway, not as intense as a retinoid. And so when you use it on your scalp, you can help to remove buildup and unclog your hair follicles, promoting hair growth. So, you know, we talk about the importance of exfoliating. You have to exfoliate your scalp. You have to remove the dead cells, clear all that debris out. That's exceptional for you if you have underlying scalp conditions like dandruff, etc., okay? The next one, number 6, is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which I talked about already. It can lead to premature aging, okay? It also helps to moisturize the skin and improve the skin's barrier function. And on the scalp, it will nourish and strengthen your hair while promoting healthy hair growth, okay? Just think moisture. It is a great moisturizing agent, okay? For your scalp, it's help for balancing that sebum. It keeps you good. It keeps everything straight. You know what I'm saying? So vitamin E is just excellent for the scalp as well. The next one are peptides. Yes, there's peptides for skincare, but there's also peptides which are exceptional for your hair. And let me explain why. These amino acids or amino acids, wait, I think I said it right the first time. Anyway, chains stimulate collagen production, which can help to improve the texture and appearance of the skin. It reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles and promotes cellular turnover. On the scalp, it can help to strengthen your hair and promote healthy hair growth. Peptides are, let me just break it down a little bit more than my notes. Peptides are essentially proteins that are broken down into smaller proteins. So this is a protein and this is a peptide. It's created so small so that it can actually be absorbed by the follicle and the structure of the hair. Proteins are too big to be absorbed by the follicles and by the cells, but peptides are small enough to actually get in there and have the medicinal therapeutic benefits that it's supposed to have, okay? So peptides, a lot of them have different functions. Most of them have hair growth stimulating functions, but peptides are small proteins that are easier delivered to the hair shaft, follicle, and sell, okay? The next one is Centella asiatica, excuse me, Centella asiatica. I may have messed that up. This is an herbal extract. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can soothe and protect the skin from environmental stressors. And if you use it on the scalp, it can help to reduce scalp inflammation and improve the overall health of the scalp. To break it down a little bit more, we all know hair loss, it's an inflammatory response. So how do you combat an inflammatory response? With an anti-inflammatory. So this ingredient works as a natural anti-inflammatory to combat hair loss, specifically to reduce inflammation and to promote and support hair growth. So that's why you definitely want to use an anti-inflammatory, and this is a natural herbal extract. And I'll list the product that has this one in it at the end. Number 9, glycolic acid. Okay, I know you guys heard of glycolic acid. It's an alpha hydroxy acid, another AHA that exfoliates the skin by dissolving dead skin cells and promoting cellular turnover, and it is good for treating fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation. But when you use it for the scalp, it's amazing for removing buildup, unclogging hair follicles, and essentially promoting hair loss. So glycolic acid is good for exfoliating the scalp as well. And then last on this list, but just not last in general, you guys let me know if you like this topic, is hyaluronic acid. We all love hyaluronic acid. I love it. I use it as often as I possibly can. I love it on my face, on my skin. It's just it keeps me supple and moisturized, and that's exactly what it does for your scalp. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant that basically seals in and locks in moisture, but it also draws moisture from the atmosphere. So I'm telling you, like, if you use hyaluronic acid, which is like my key ingredient in my skincare regimen, you're gonna be out here looking supple and moist, okay? You just got a natural highlight going on about you, okay? That's what it's gonna do for your scalp. It's gonna moisturize your hair and scalp. It's gonna prevent dryness, and it's gonna promote healthy hair growth. Listen, if you don't have nothing else in your hair care, I really recommend hyaluronic acid, niacinamide are my favorites, and the retinoid, top 3. And of course, you need an exfoliator, but the retinoid is also the exfoliator. So my top 3 is, if you're gonna have skincare products for your scalp, you're gonna use those top 3, okay? So now these right here are going to be the products that have, and these are not all, it's not an all-inclusive list, obviously. I'm just giving you some examples of products that you can find with these. I'm not gonna go into the whole list of what they, obviously I already explained what they do. So take a look at these right now, guys. These are the products that you should use or that have these active ingredients in them. Let me know if you really like this video. Let me know, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Tell me if you're ready to step your hair care routine up by using skincare products for your scalp. Love you, baddies. If this is the 3rd video that you watch from me, put a ring on it, okay? I'm not gonna be giving away the milk for free for long, okay? So I love you. Help me get to 100,000. I believe I could do it. Why the heck not? All right, baddies. Bye.